Next in our series, Manychat in 2 minutes, the question, is Manychat allowed on Instagram? Definitely a good question to ask, especially nowadays as there are so many, let's just say, bad actors. In other words, third-party apps that are promising you this and that on Instagram. But that's not Manychat. Manychat is as official as it gets. Literally. Manychat is actually an official Meta business partner. Yeah, that Meta, the parent company that owns Facebook, WhatsApp, and of course, Instagram. And as an official Meta business partner, they work very closely with Instagram. Manychat gets special access via APIs to Instagram's data and features. So, what's an API? Well, let's just say it's a special channel Manychat can use to communicate directly with Instagram, a channel that very few other companies have access or permission to use. And that is why Manychat is allowed on Instagram. It's 100% Meta and Instagram approved. And one can say their partnership has helped DMs become one of the fastest growing and most used features on Instagram. By the way, since you're interested in Manychat, I have something I know you're going to love, and it's free. Check out my 3-in-1 Manychat freebie that'll help you improve your current Manychat setup and increase your conversions. You'll get access to 50 suggested keywords that are proven to be used more with less incidental DM triggers. No more apologizing for messages your chatbot accidentally sent. And how about 100 call to action specifically focused to entice more viewers to comment those suggested keywords and receive your automated messages? Last, a few effective strategies and tips that'll provide deeper insight on how to make your Manychat automations better for you and your leads. To get the 3-in-1 Manychat freebie, you can do one of the following. 1. Scan this QR code on the screen. Or 2. Visit the link on my YouTube channel to get access to everything I listed. This is your opportunity to begin working smarter, not harder with Manychat and DM automation. Get your freebie now.